Hello everybody. I'm back from traveling the world. I've shaved, I think. And, well, I got my studio set up, which is nice. And today, we're doing this. A sliding barn door for this very blurry rail. There you go. Let's go make a barn door. It's too hot in here. It's still too hot. Maybe I'm too hot. Alright, so I don't know what I'm doing and I'm not a professional, but let's give this a shot. Screws, polyurethane, wood filler, wood glue, and this thing. Drill, light, and this. Mitre saw. Don't forget about safety. This is a Craig jig. I'm gonna be using this to create pocket holes. So here it is. So this goes on the wood. Clamps on there. Screw holes in there, and then you can attach this to another piece of wood. Add that to the pile. What else do I need? What else do I need? This is a sander. Sandpaper. Clamps. Do you think you need clamps? You might need clamps. Let's grab a little bucket, I guess. That's a lot of stuff. So I'm gonna start by building the frame for the door. I have some specs here, dimensions of things. And yeah, I need that. That to the pile. And this to the pile. Yeah, let's build the frame and then go from there. Oh, I didn't introduce you to one of the coolest features of the store. There's a store in Seattle called Second Use, and they have a lot of reclaimed stuff. And this is the handle I'm gonna be putting on the, I don't know, this is cool. Came out to 20 bucks. It's also, while I'm talking about them, that's also where I got all this wood. Like, $4. $5 for that piece of wood. Like all the wood for this door. $100 maybe? Okay, first step, cut the wood. That's it, let's do it. Let's get it set up. Boom. Yeah, cut that wood. All right, for the frame I'm using 3/4 inch thick. Can't have the door too thick, otherwise it won't work on the rail. Let's do it like this. There we go. there we have it. That's our first piece. Perfect, 87 and a half. Uh-oh. Okay, I've got the basic frame cut. I'm gonna need some like cross pieces now, but I think I'm gonna square all this up and get it ready. What you're left with is this. That's no good. So as you can see on that last pocket joint down there, the wood split, and that's one of the problems of using reclaimed wood. It's not always the best quality, but, oh, I also forgot wood glue. I'm gonna do that now, and that's probably why it split. It's nothing I did. Why would, no. Wood glue. Figuring out how to join these pieces of wood if they keep splitting is gonna be a problem. All right, let's try putting it into this piece of wood, because this wood seems a little harder. Failed. Got the glue in there. You know what? You know what? I think it did it again. Damn it. Okay. It's on. Yep. Well, that's it for day one. I wanted to get the frame done today, but I keep having trouble splitting, so I'm gonna have to try a different attachment method. There are these like staple type things that you hammer in. I'm gonna give that a shot. We'll see if it works. Who knows? But I'm not doing that today. I'll do that tomorrow. Day 2 coming up. Don't miss it. Guess it's time to clean. Clean it up, clean it up. If I can make a door that works out of wood, anything is possible. I'm trying to do all this one-handed. No.